Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Intro music fades out. Hello and welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host here today, bringing you the latest in electric vehicles, sustainable energy, and innovative technology. Today's story takes us on a wild ride through the world of law enforcement and Tesla. In an unusual twist, the Bargersville Police Department has found that operating a fleet of Tesla police cars is not only eco-friendly, but also cost-effective. By switching to all-electric vehicles, the department has saved almost $500,000 in car upkeep and repair costs over the past 5 years. According to Police Chief Todd Bertram, the monthly gas bill for the 4 Ford vehicles was a staggering $3,100. In contrast, the Tesla fleet, which consisted of 13 cars at its peak, incurred a combined charging cost of just $300 per month. That's a whopping savings of over $2,800 per month. But that's not all. The department has also experienced reduced maintenance costs. According to Bertram, since they were deployed, the department has never had to replace any brakes on their Tesla fleet. And when a Tesla police car did need repair, it was accomplished under warranty in just 3 days, a significant improvement over the 7-day wait time for gas vehicles. This cost-effective approach is not only good news for taxpayers, but also sets an important precedent for law enforcement agencies looking to adopt sustainable practices. It's a win-win situation that benefits both the environment and the community. As we continue to explore innovative solutions in the world of electric vehicles, it's clear that this trend will be worth keeping an eye on. And if you're wondering how Tesla is doing in terms of sales, the German market just reported 4,935 units sold in Q1 2025, a significant milestone for the company. That's all for today's story on sustainable policing and electric vehicles. Thanks for joining us here at Electro Drive News.